Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I'm really sorry about yesterday's video not being updated because I was having some technical issues, that is some kind of short circuit at my house. So let's get started. First of all, taking a look at the news, we are not having uh, such sideways day, but rather we are having actually multiple news into the market, and I have actually filtered the only high impact news. So be cautious around these times, that is at 2:30 p.m., 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., 7:15 p.m., and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This could be a really high and volatile timing. So let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart of EURUSD. There has not been any much change, but I'll be explaining it anyway. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the market. So, after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this level over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So right now, the price is currently into the sideways zone because we are sweeping the highs and lows. So there is nothing much clear. So let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart we are having, and we can clearly see that the price was following an order flow over here, and we are having this strong zone of reaction. Maybe the price will come down to this area and then react into the other side. So this is strong zone because it is a weekly strong level which had taken the previous week's candles liquidity. So most likely if we are going to come down, we are going to see a reaction from this zone. But currently what do we have into the charts is that the price had swept this weekly candles low. The price moved into the upside direction and there is nothing much clear here. So let's move to the dailies. Now this is the daily chart we are having, and there is one more thing. We can clearly see that in daily this is the unmitigated order block and we are having this FVG over here. So the price reacted from the FVG and I had anticipated in my previous videos, and the price literally ran in that way. And similarly, that the way I explained in the previous video, that we are going to have a reaction from this zone over here. So currently what do we have is we are having liquidity accumulated into the downward direction. These all are equal lows because there is nothing unmitigated. So most likely we are going to have a reaction from this zone over here, that is this particular candle of 26 April, that is 26 April, that is Friday. So most likely I'm going to anticipate that the price is not going to go below this level. So there is still not much clarity into this chart. So let's move to the 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that we were having a sweep right here, and the price is currently into the sideways into the 4 hours. So for clear bias of today, let's move to the 1 hours. Now this is the 1 hour chart, and we are having somewhat clarity into the market. We can see that the price had taken this liquidity and moved into the upside direction, broke this supply zone over here, but rather we swept it. Still, I'll be considering this leg as a strong leg because it had taken liquidity. So I'm not anticipating the price to go below this level, because if we are going to invalidate this level, most likely we are going to go into the downward direction, taking all these liquidities accumulated into the higher time frames. So let's move to the 15 minutes for a clear bias for today. So this is the 15-minute chart, and what do we have? That we are having this invalidation point into the market. Let's mention it as INV. And what do we have is we are having this uh, candle over here, which could be an order block. So most likely, I'm anticipating the price to uh, take the Asia low into the London session and then move into the upside direction, taking the upside liquidity. And if Not if we are going to invalidate this level, most likely we are going to respect the strong highs into the market and move into the downward direction towards the minimum. What we can expect is, okay, I'll be expecting this zone. So this is all I have into the market. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.